Hi, I'm Ian White. It's November and the jacarandas are out in full flower. It's a time of year when things are getting very hectic, chaotic. It's all about scattered energy. The positive quality of jacaranda is making you far more focused, at harmony, being able to complete tasks, make decisions. Because you find the jacaranda people, you know, they get very worried about having to make a decision. They'll go and ask all other people about what they should do. They never actually listen to them. They've got to keep asking. There's a deep fear of making a mistake. The jacaranda flower, as we mentioned, is mauve, which is a very calming, soothing, slowing down all that scattered energy. But inside the stamen, it looks like a torch. It's that clear focus that you get, which the jacaranda person often is missing and what they need. So it's a very nice doctrine of signatures with this flower. Now, jacaranda is in a combination called cognus because it assists with learning and has that quality to help you be quite focused and not distracted. It's also in the combination calm and clear. You tend to use calm and clear at the end of a day, or maybe when you're on a holidays when you're just wanting to relax and unwind. The jacaranda lets go of the distractions which are taking you off your centre. In fact, at this time of year, underneath the jacaranda trees, you get this purple carpet. And purple, that mauve colour of the jacaranda, is very calming. It's slowing down all that frenetic, chaotic energy going on. It's a great one for students who've got exams on. You know, it's that, getting scattered and not doing their homework, watching a bit of TV, making phone calls, etc., etc. It also helps with levels of concentration. So it's a very good grounding remedy for decision making, getting very focused, easing all that scattered energy. If you would like to use this essence or any of the combinations that it's in, then please go to our website, click on products, and you'll be able to order it from there.